Young girl, don't cry. I'll be right here when your world starts to fall. Oh, young girl, it's alright. Your tears will dry, your sun be free to fly. Oh, when you're safe inside your room, you tend to dream of a place where nothing's harder than it seems. No one ever wants or bothers to explain what a heartache life can bring and what it means when there's not one else. Look inside yourself like your oldest friend. Just trust the voice within, then you'll find the strength that will guide your way. If you learn to begin, trust the voice within. Oh, young girl, don't hide. You never change, you just run away. Oh, yeah. Young girl, just hold tight till you're gonna see your brighter day. Oh, now in a world where innocence is quickly claimed, yeah, it's so hard to stand your ground when you're so afraid. No one reached the side here for you to hold. When you're lost outside, look inside to your soul. When there's not one else, look inside yourself. And like your oldest friend, just trust the voice within, and then you'll find the strength that will guide your way. If you will learn to begin, trust the voice within. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Life is a journey, it can take you anywhere you choose to go. As long as you're learning, you'll find out, you'll never need to know. Make it, you'll make it. Just don't forsake it, because no one can stop you. You know that I'm talking to you. When there's not one else, look inside yourself. And like your oldest friend, just trust the voice within, and then you'll find the strength that will guide your way. You'll learn to begin, trust the voice within. Oh, yeah, young girl, don't cry. I'll be ready when your world starts to fall. Oh.